Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to use the Tom Drip mining app. So before we get started in today's video, if you find our video helpful, do well to purchase our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network, and the contract address will be at the description below this video. The Tom Drip is a play to earn mining game that is built on the Ton's ecosystem. The Ton Drip has a partner with T Lama and another GameFi platform. The Drip mine will be converted into real digital assets when it launches. So what you'll be needing to mine this Ton Drip is actually the Ton Drip referral link and your Telegram account. So we'll be getting the referral link. Click on the referral link to redirect us to the Telegram account. Okay. So here is the chat up for the claim drip, and you click on claim. You actually claim every 5 minutes. So instead of mining or tapping like other mining app, you claim every 5 minutes. So at the bottom here you can see 100% full. My previous mining season is full, so I just claim. So it's emptying the tank and it goes off after emptying the tank. So looking down at the bottom, you can see 500 drops total capacity, 500 drops total capacity, and then 5 minutes time full. You can do as much daily. The more you take your drops, the more you have the capacity to do even 1000 or more. And when your drops is higher, you can do at a longer time. So now you can actually do tags, retweet, and you get 50% on Ton Drips. You can click and copy link 50%. So when you are able to do all the stacks, more Ton Drips will be added to it. Now you can see after taking it's raining more. It's raining more. After raining more, you claim again. So you continue claiming, So everything about this mining app is just to claim. When the tank is full, you claim. When the tank is full, you claim. So that is all you need to know about the Ton Drip. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to drop any question regarding this video at the comment section. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to receive more educative content. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.